Hello everyone! This will be our 9th video on how companies can benefit from applying artificial intelligence for their customers. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of digital transformation and how multi-agent solutions can facilitate this process. Today, companies that do not adopt digital technologies run the risk of falling behind the competition, as digitization optimizes processes, improves efficiency, and enhances the customer experience.
Hi. I am interested in digitalization, but I see that many companies have difficulties on this path. Sometimes, technologies advance so fast that it can be complicated to keep up.
It's true. Digital transformation is key to staying competitive, but there are several organizational and cultural barriers that can hinder its implementation. One of the main ones is resistance to change. Many employees are afraid of the uncertainty generated by new technologies, either because of the possible automation of tasks or simply because of the need to learn new tools.
I understand. That can generate distrust within the company. Many times, employees are not prepared for change or feel that their skills may become obsolete.
Exactly. To overcome this, it is essential to communicate the benefits of digitization clearly and effectively, highlighting how it can optimize processes, reduce costs, and improve productivity. It is also key to provide adequate training so that staff feel prepared and can adopt new technologies with confidence. In addition, it is essential to have committed leaders who will drive this transition and become agents of change within the organization. Leaders can foster a culture of continuous learning, encouraging participation in training programs and creating spaces for dialogue where employees can express their concerns and expectations. When employees see that technology not only facilitates their work, but also provides them with opportunities for growth and professional development, acceptance improves significantly. Implementing support plans and providing incentives for the adoption of new technological tools can be an effective strategy to accelerate this process and guarantee its success.
It sounds logical, but I am also concerned about data security and compliance. We hear more and more about data breaches and penalties for noncompliance.
This is a crucial point. Data security involves measures such as encryption, access controls, and audits. It is also critical to comply with regulations such as GDPR in Europe and CCPA in the US. Implementing good data protection practices is essential to avoid penalties and, more importantly, to maintain customer trust. Companies that fail to do this can face not only fines in the millions, but a loss of credibility.
Sure, but I'm also concerned about systems integration. Some companies have legacy technologies from years ago that make interoperability difficult. Many organizations still rely on software that was not designed for the digital age.
Very true. Legacy systems are often inflexible and poorly compatible with modern technologies, which can make it difficult to integrate and leverage new tools. To address this, you can use APIs, middleware, or adopt open standards that facilitate interoperability between legacy and modern systems. Gradual modernization is also a good strategy to avoid disruptions and minimize risks, allowing organizations to adopt new technologies without affecting daily operations. Today, there are advanced tools that allow CRM and ERP to be equipped with parallel solutions that enhance the intelligence in their databases. These solutions not only help to improve integration between systems, but also allow valuable knowledge to be extracted from existing data. By incorporating advanced analytics, artificial intelligence-based automation, and machine learning, these tools can optimize decision-making, identify behavioral patterns, and forecast future trends. This allows companies to anticipate market needs and adjust their strategies in real time. Best of all, these solutions can be implemented without the need to completely replace existing systems, making digital transformation more accessible and efficient for organizations of any size.
It makes sense. But how do we ensure that employees adapt to these new technologies?
Training is key. Identify specific needs and design training programs. A workplace learning approach is also recommended, as well as having leaders who promote technology adoption. Several companies have shown that investing in digital training yields great results. In addition, Prior to a large-scale implementation, a pilot can be conducted without workers noticing it in their day-to-day lives. The results of such a pilot can be limited to a couple of people or an exclusive department, which allows to evaluate its impact in a controlled way. In this way, adjustments can be made before full implementation, minimizing risks and ensuring a smoother transition. Offering incentives and recognizing employees' achievements in the adaptation process can also accelerate adoption.
I like the idea. Where do you recommend to start?
Ideally, start with a pilot project, focusing on a specific problem that the company is currently facing or that has recurred in recent months. In this way, AI will be able to generate an immediate and demonstrable impact on operations. Then, it is crucial to monitor KPIs and adjust the strategy according to the results obtained. As the value of the solution is demonstrated, the implementation of these systems can be expanded to other areas of the company or for other problems that the company may have. It is also advisable to train the team so that they can interact efficiently with these tools and take full advantage of their capabilities, ensuring that the transition is smooth and effective.
Interesting. I have also seen that artificial intelligence is revolutionizing customer relationships. Many companies are using AI to personalize the user experience in impressive ways.
Exactly. AI has improved customer service with chatbots and virtual assistants, enabling fast and personalized responses across multiple communication channels. It is also used to analyze emotions and predict customer needs through natural language processing and real-time data analysis, improving customer experience and loyalty. In addition, the integration of AI with CRM, ERP, and marketing strategies has made it possible to automate and personalize campaigns more efficiently. By using machine learning algorithms, companies can better segment their customers, anticipate their needs, and offer proactive solutions, which increases conversion rates. It also facilitates the optimization of operational management by automating repetitive processes, improving inventory management, and streamlining strategic decision-making based on predictive data.
Sounds promising. What is the next step to implement these solutions in my company?
Ideally, a detailed diagnosis of the current situation should be carried out, identifying specific problems such as operational inefficiencies, difficulties in systems integration, and areas for improvement in decision-making. This will allow defining a digitization strategy aligned with the company's objectives and establishing a progressive implementation plan, ensuring that each implemented solution addresses specific needs and generates value in the short and long term. It is advisable to start with a pilot test in a specific area of the company to assess its impact before a full-scale implementation. This phase can focus on a key department or a small group of users, allowing for early feedback, adjustments, and measurement of results without affecting daily operations. Thus, the transition will be smoother, and the benefits will become evident more quickly.
I would like to start with a detailed plan. Can we do an initial assessment of our needs? How can we move forward?
Perfect. We will first analyze your current processes, identify opportunities for improvement, and design a roadmap with concrete actions. We will also review the technological infrastructure and the level of preparedness of your team to ensure a successful transition to digitization. You can contact our expert, Antonio Fresco Navacerrada, via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve customer management.